How does one become a mutual fund manager without having any friends to manage? Becoming a mutual fund manager requires a unique combination of skills, education, and experience. While having a network of friends and colleagues can be beneficial in many fields, including mutual fund management, it is not a requirement. Here are some steps you can take to become a mutual fund manager without having any friends to manage. Get an education. A bachelor's degree in finance, economics, accounting, or business administration is a good starting point to becoming a mutual fund manager. A master's degree in finance, economics, or business administration can also be helpful in gaining knowledge and skills relevant to the field. Additionally, courses in investment management, financial analysis, and portfolio management can provide valuable insights into mutual fund management. Gain experience. Experience is crucial to becoming a mutual fund manager. A common entry point to the field is to work as an analyst or assistant portfolio manager in an investment firm. This can help you gain knowledge and experience in areas such as financial analysis, investment research, and portfolio management. You can also consider internships, which can help you gain experience and build a network of contacts in the industry. Obtain professional certifications. Professional certifications, such as the Chartered Financial Analyst (CFA) designation, can demonstrate your expertise and knowledge in the field. Obtaining a CFA designation requires passing a series of exams, and it is highly regarded in the investment industry. Build a strong resume. A strong resume can help you stand out to potential employers. Highlight your education, relevant work experience, and any professional certifications you have obtained. Emphasize your skills and achievements that are relevant to mutual fund management, such as investment analysis and portfolio management. Network. Although having friends to manage is not a requirement, networking can still be helpful in finding opportunities and building relationships with professionals in the industry. Attend industry conferences and events, join professional organizations, and connect with professionals on social media platforms like LinkedIn. Apply for jobs. Mutual fund manager positions are typically available at investment firms, mutual fund companies, and banks. Look for job postings online and apply for positions that match your skills and experience. Customize your resume and cover letter for each position you apply for, highlighting your relevant experience and qualifications. Prepare for interviews. If you are invited for an interview, prepare by researching the company and the mutual fund industry. Be ready to discuss your qualifications and experience, as well as your investment philosophy and approach to portfolio management. Be prepared to answer technical questions about financial analysis, investment strategies, and market trends. Continue learning. The mutual fund industry is constantly evolving, and it is important to stay up to date on industry trends and changes. Read industry publications, attend conferences and seminars, and continue to build your skills and knowledge. In conclusion, becoming a mutual fund manager without having any friends to manage requires a combination of education, experience, professional certifications, and networking. Although having a network of contacts in the industry can be helpful, it is not a requirement. By following these steps, you can build a career in mutual fund management and achieve success in the industry.